Hey guys, so I did this look today. It's like maybe not something you would typically wear to the mall, although I advocate doing whatever you want. But it's like, I guess I'm gonna call this like maybe galaxy eyes or something with space, because it's supposed to kind of look like that. It would probably be really good for a Halloween costume if you're gonna be something that incorporates a makeup look like this, or it's just something to do for fun. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, okay, peace. Okay. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is make sure your entire lid is coated with white or even like a beige color, because it's so much easier to blend the colors when you have a good base. So I'm taking my Morphe palette in this white color that I use a lot, and I'm just going to put it all over my eyelid so that everything blends very nicely. Okay. The first shadow we're going to do is our crease color, and I'm taking my 88 Original palette by Coastal Scents, and I'm taking the darkest purple right here at the bottom. So just take a dark purple color similar to that one, and you're going to work that into your crease. Let me get more. The next color we're gonna use is this teal blue. See it? It's so vibrant and pretty. And I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna work it into the purple, like this, just to give it a more gradient effect. Oh my goodness, I love it. Okay. For the lid, I'm taking my Laura Lee Party Animal palette, and I'm gonna use these two top colors. Oh, that was me. So I'm gonna use Karaoke. Oh, I'm gonna use Karaoke first on my flat eyeshadow brush. This is the mermaid one from Tarte, and I'm gonna put that on the outer end of my lid, like this. Y'all see that? In the middle, I'm going to be putting MAC's Stars and Rockets, which is a really, really, really old eyeshadow. I'm pretty sure they still have it, but I could be wrong. It's so pretty because it has like a blue reflex in it. I don't know if you see it, but it's like perfect for this look. So I'm taking the same brush and I'm getting a lot of it on there, and I'm putting that in the middle of my lid, like right here. Inner part of the lid, I'm taking Damage Control from my Laura Lee palette, and I'm gonna put that on a flat shader brush like this, and yeah, fill in this little area right here. So this is what your eyeshadow should look like now. Okay, so from this palette, it looks like this. Ow. So much eyeshadow just went on my leg right now. Pearly white color, and I'm putting it on this flat brush from, I don't know how to read that, because I don't know how to read. I'm taking this shadow, and to make it more vibrant, I'm going to make it more vibrant with my Urban Decay All-Nighter Spray. Just watch. Okay, ready? Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. On my inner corner also. Take from my Party Animal. I love this palette. I love the colors in it. I feel like, no! I'm gonna take my favorite under eye brush ever. It's like really flat and skinny. and it's from like e.l.f. I think it's from e.l.f. Hungover from the Laura Lee palette, and put that underneath on my lower lash line. For eyeliner, I always use white because it makes your eyes pop. So I'm gonna use this white eyeliner from, I think this is from Jordana. I'm pretty sure I got this at a dollar store a really long time ago, but you can use whatever white eyeliner you want. It doesn't matter, they all work pretty good to me. Okay, so now my lashes are on, but I'm gonna curl them. I'm using my very pretty eyelash curler, and you gotta do this fearlessly because it is not as scary as it looks. Yeah, even though I looked very fearful there. But you just have to curl them so that they look sort of natural. I have a face painting kit that I have. Oh my gosh! It's fine, doesn't even bother me. I have a face painting kit from Michaels. Makeup brush. It's from e.l.f. I think it's a lip brush, but yeah. It's really good for like painting things, like really small details. I dip it in water first because it's face paint and it won't work very well if the brush isn't wet. So then I kind of just run it through my hand just to make sure it's like only a little bit of product on the brush. And I'm just going to start stars. Sandisk. This brush, and I have some gold glitter from e.l.f. Here, it's in like this tube. It's really cheap. And I'm just gonna like dot it on there. It's kind of like a star. And I can add that right here too. For blush, I'm using my Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten blush, and I'm gonna put this on my cheeks. Oh. This is a good blush to use because it's not too much, because the eyes are already crazy looking. So for the lips, I'm gonna do a purple color, and it's by Kiko. I don't know what the shade is, but it's like a wine purple color. And we're just gonna put that on our lips. Becca Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm gonna use the Highlights Champagne Pop because it's my strongest highlight that I own. And I'm going to spray my all-nighter spray on it so that it becomes really vibrant. And really load up on that because it really goes with this look. This is the finished look. Yeah, if you do this look, please let me know or send me a picture of it because I want to see. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video.